Freelancing is no longer a fad. It's now the main thing. It is estimated that about 60% of the U.S. workforce have given up their traditional jobs in favor of freelancing, a number that is expected to grow with time as both companies and people alike begin to realize the value and advantages of freelancing. In this video, we are going to look at which freelancing site is best for beginners. The reason why freelancing keeps getting popular by day is due to its numerous advantages. For freelancers, it is a better alternative to being employed. Freelancing makes it possible for one to make a living while being in full control over their life. The feeling of not having a boss telling you what to do or choosing your own leave days is what's driving most people towards freelancing. For companies, freelancers are great as they help them save money. Consider a company wanting to have a website developed. To get the site developed, they have two options. They can either hire a web developer on a full-time basis to develop their site. Hiring a full-time developer means the company will have to pay the developer along with the benefits and everything else. The other option for the company, however, would be to contract a freelancer. A freelancer, unlike a developer, will have to be paid on a contract basis without any benefits, which saves the company money. This means the freelancer will come in, develop the website, teach the company employees to use the site and leave. Although freelancing seems to be viable for both companies and individuals looking to freelance, getting started with freelancing can be painstakingly difficult. Some people wanted to make it easy and started creating freelance websites. As of today, there are thousands if not millions of freelance websites. Separating the chaff from the wheat can be difficult if you are doing it by yourself. This is why we created this list of the 6 best freelancing websites to find high-quality and affordable freelancers for companies and jobs for freelancers. Number 1. Upwork. As compared to Fiverr, Upwork is more professional and thus strict on its policies. You can't sell gigs on Upwork. With Fiverr, you can sell anything from writing to development. With Upwork, however, when you sign up, you have to put in your information detailing what you do. The information you fill in will define your brand on the platform, which means you will most likely be forced to focus on doing a single thing. This is why the platform is the largest and most popular. Number 2. Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the most popular freelancing sites if you are looking for quick jobs that are affordable. If you are wondering why the site is called Fiverr, well, that's their value proposition. Fiverr uses a gig method to connect buyers and sellers. As a freelancer, when you sign up to Fiverr, after updating your profile with your basic information, you create what is known as gigs. Fiverr gigs have a basic starting price of $5. This means, as a freelancer, you can sell anything you want as long as it starts at $5 who buys. If your service is attractive enough and appealing, buyers will request and make a purchase and you deliver. People sell anything on Fiverr from voiceovers to logo designs and website development. Number 3. Topptl. This list would be incomplete without Topptl. If your budget allows and you are looking for the top 3% of freelance talent on Earth, then you might need to look at Topptl. At Topptl, you will find some of the world's best freelancers. I'm sure this is good enough as an indication of the pricing. The rates are higher, but you get what you pay for. Topptl is one of the best freelancing platforms today. Number 4. People per hour. People per hour, popularly known as PPH, is relatively smaller as compared to the above two, but still large enough to be a deal. The major goal of People per hour is empowerment. They want to empower you to do what you love doing as a freelancer. The great thing about People per hour is that it is not just a freelance platform. It comes with a suite of other relevant and useful features geared towards helping you manage and advance your business with ease. As a freelancer on People per Hour, you can access invoicing tools, proposal review tools, and in-app messaging to help you get stuff done with convenience and serve your customers better. Number 5. Freelancer.com. Based in Australia, this platform is the one that got the name on the web. If you search for freelancer site, the first site you are likely to come across is Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com, despite the heavy competition, is a great freelancing website. This site was one of the first to enter the market, starting before Lance and Odesk. There are 20 million signed-up users on the website, including both freelancers and clients, a number that keeps growing each day. Freelancer.com has a great many features including invoicing and accounting. Freelancers on Freelancer.com can also participate in contests where a client requests a logo design and freelancers compete to submit the best. This is a winner-takes-all contest. Number 6. Uru. Uru is a great freelancing website, but not for everyone, especially if you are looking for cheap services. The Collins English Dictionary definition of guru is a recognized leader. This is what guru is about. Freelancers on Guru are the leaders in their industries. How does Guru manage to get industry leaders? It's simple. They handpick all freelancers who work on their site to determine their eligibility and skill. Communicating with freelancers on Guru is simple. You just have to create a job post, and the site's algorithm will sift through the freelancer database of people on the site, prompting the freelancers to contact you directly and begin conversing with you to determine your needs. There are many other great freelancing platforms out there for both companies and individuals looking for freelancers as well as the freelancers themselves. However, if you are looking for the best freelancing site for beginners, then these 6 are the best option for you.